What is LAF?
A laminar air flow cabinet, also known as a laminar air flow hood, is an enclosed workstation designed to maintain a contamination-free environment. It uses advanced filtration systems to capture airborne particles, ensuring a sterile workspace. These cabinets are particularly beneficial for tasks requiring aseptic conditions, such as media preparation and plate pouring.
What is the difference between biosafety cabinets and LAF?
While they share similarities with biosafety cabinets, a key distinction lies in the direction of airflow. In laminar flow cabinets, the effluent air flows toward the user, protecting only the sample. In contrast, biosafety cabinets protect both the user and the sample, providing an additional layer of safety.
What is the principle of LAF?
The system draws air into the cabinet, passing it through one or more HEPA filters to ensure a particulate-free workspace. Initially, air passes through a pre-filter or filter pad, which streamlines the airflow into the cabinet. A blower or fan then directs the air toward the HEPA filters, which effectively capture bacteria, fungi, and other particulate matter, ensuring the air is purified before reaching the work surface.
From which material the LAF box is made?
The material of the box is often stainless steel, because it is very resistant to biological contamination and is easy to clean, without requiring any special coating. The material of the work surface is often stainless steel too, for similar reasons as above. It is resistant to biological contamination, it is easy to disinfect, and it does not require any special coating. It is also sturdy and will support almost any lab equipment you can use in a microbiology lab.
What is the function of the PRE filters?
The pre-filter or filter pad is the first line of defense against impure air in a laminar airflow cabinet. It comes in contact with the outside environment directly, generally behind a mesh, net or grill, either on top of the cabinet or below the work surface facing the front. The pre-filter is basically a large piece of washable sheet, folded a few times over to make it thick. It has large fibrous pores that can trap suspended particles in air about 5 microns or bigger. It acts as the primary filter that scrubs out the air by interception method of filtering.
High efficiency particulate air, HEPA, filter or ultra-low penetration air, ULPA, filter may be used. What is the difference between them?
The HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air, filter is the most critical component of a laminar airflow cabinet. Positioned adjacent to the enclosure and separated by a grill or mesh, its location varies depending on the airflow type. In horizontal airflow cabinets, the HEPA filter is located at the back, while in vertical airflow cabinets, it is placed at the top. This filter serves as the final purification stage, effectively removing particles and microbes as small as 0.3 microns. It employs 3 key mechanisms to achieve this. Interception: large particles adhere to the fibers of the HEPA filter. Impaction: medium-sized particles, disturbed by contradictory micro-airstreams, collide with and are captured by the fibers. Diffusion: smaller particles, moving in random Brownian motion, become trapped within the fibers.
So talk about ULPA filter.
ULPA filters go a step further, capturing particles as small as 0.1 microns with an efficiency of 99.999%. These are used in environments requiring ultra-clean air, such as semiconductor manufacturing. The blower ensures a steady flow of air at a controlled velocity, maintaining uniform pressure across the work area. It helps achieve the desired laminar airflow pattern.
What is the importance of UV lamp in LAF?
It's true that HEPA filter supplies well-filtered air, but it isn't completely sterile. Only certain microns get passed through the filter and some external air does get in somehow. The enclosure surfaces and work area can have microbes with them. The UV lamp radiates ultraviolet light which cleans them out.
Talk about types of LAF cabinets.
Vertical LAF cabinet. Air flows vertically from the top of the unit down to the work surface, then exits through perforations or vents. This configuration ensures that contaminants are pushed down and away from both the product and the operator. Preferred in medical and pharmaceutical industries, as it offers dual protection for the operator and the product. Horizontal LAF cabinet. In horizontal LAF systems, air flows horizontally from the back of the unit toward the user. This setup provides excellent protection for the product but does not safeguard the user from hazardous substances. Commonly used in applications like electronics assembly, where product contamination needs to be minimized.
How to use LAF cabinet.
1. Clean the area around the device so that no heavy dust gets sucked into the filters. 2. Clear the work area of any previous apparatus or glassware or debris. 3. Keep the lid open, if required for airflow, and turn on the fan. 4. Run the airflow for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Open the lid and clean all the inner surfaces with 70% ethanol. 6. Close the lid tightly and turn on the UV lamp. Stay away. 7. Keep the UV lamp on for 15 minutes. 8. Turn off the UV lamp and turn on the interior light. 9. You can start your work now. 10. If your work takes a long time, remember to change the air periodically by running the blower once in a while. If your work is potentially dangerous, keep the lid closed before you turn on the fan.
What have we do and what should not do during the use of LAF cabinet?
Do wear safety glasses, long protective gloves and lab coats while operating a laminar airflow cabinet. Do sterilize all components and apparatus present inside the device before and after use. Do irradiate everything inside the safety hood with the UV lamp before and after use. Do not use the UV light and the airflow functions simultaneously. Some advanced models may actually have electronic blocks that prevent this. Do not keep any body part inside or even close to the cabinet while the UV light is on.